Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today, so as always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Gina. Yes, I am in New York. We'll be here till November 6th. So today I'm doing it from home, but hopefully tomorrow and some days I will be able to go to the park, as I usually do when I'm here. So we'll see different views. I see people are joining, but I don't see the names, so that's weird, but expected. Facebook has just been a little bit challenging to navigate lately. Anyway, if you want to say hello, please do so in the comments, otherwise I don't know who you are. And anyway, it is time for us to start. So today we will work on balancing the third eye chakra. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in. Rooting into the earth, into the ground, remembering all the support that it provides, lengthening your spine as if you wanted to touch the sky with the crown of your head. Notice what's going on for you physically, emotionally, mentally. Maybe scan your body to just be sure you don't miss any areas. Don't try to control your breath, let it be nice and easy. Just observing how your breath flows in and out of your body and how your body responds to your breath. Now connect with your third eye chakra, located right between your brows. You may imagine it as a sphere of indigo light, emanating energy from within you and into the world, further and further out, as far as you can feel. The Sanskrit name of this chakra, Ajna, can be translated as perception. So stay connected with this powerful energy of cosmic insight living within you. Remember all the times your intuition was correct, whether you chose to follow it or not. With this, settle into your archetypal identity. Remember that you are allowed to see and to trust your intuition. So claim this as your birthright that counteracts all the illusions you may have produced and experienced throughout your life. In the endocrine system, the third eye chakra corresponds to pineal gland, located in the brain right in the middle of the head at the level of your third eye. The pineal gland acts as a light meter for the body, translating variations in light to hormonal messages. So visualize your pineal gland getting all the nourishment and support that it needs. Feeling your connection with the light element associated with the third eye chakra, nourishing your pineal gland, remembering your right to see clearly and trust your intuition. Repeat the following affirmations after me, mentally or out loud. I see all things clearly. I am open to the wisdom within. I trust my intuition. I can manifest my vision. Now imagine your third eye chakra as a beautiful flower of indigo color. We're going to repeat the Bija mantra for the third eye chakra, Om, O-M, 7 times. With each repetition, see this flower opening its petals more and more, blooming without any illusions. Om, 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 Om. Stay in the space of awareness that you created through this practice. Enjoy it. And ask yourself, what is it that I need to see clearly right now? As always, let your answers come to you in the form of words, images, sensations. What is it that I need to see clearly right now? As you go through your day today, I invite you to notice when you feel confused, like you don't have clarity about what to do or how to present yourself. In these moments, remind yourself, I am here. I have the right to trust my intuition. All is well in my world. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day. And tomorrow is Amethyst practice. I will see you on Thursday.